Alrighty, well this video is actually for Melissa. The way that you would get to the Gridme app, the one that I'm suggesting that we all use for encrypted video conferencing, you would go to the Google Play Store. And then up here in the search field, you would just type in Gridme. And you would just click this, and this would say, install, and you would just hit install and then go through the process of setting it up. And then we should be able to if you need help walking through the process, I can help you do that on your phone as well. Alrighty, well that was it.